Okay. Good evening po sa lahat po. Ako si Arvin G. Vlog si Jew. And this is your third season of Aviation Premier League Dabas sa Flying League. Featuring the teams of in-flights clad in white and pink and black combination po yan. Playing light po yan. Versus the green men, ang Los Hermanos. Ito po si Arvin G. Vlog si Jew. And I've played, develop na all the blow accounts po sa lorong ito. Magandang bibo sila. Live po tayo po ngayon sa the Newton International School in Doha. Kamusta po kayo dyan mga boss, mga madam? Okay, ito po yan. Okay. This is your Aviation Premier League Dabas sa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Yan po, Team LBC, Hari ng Padala at Thread and Needles. And of course, ito po ang Los Hermanos versus In-Flights. First game po tayo mga boss. Pambira, wala yung aking Naku, nawala. Also, this game is brought by Team SBB Pilipinas for giving this game in a neat and orderly fashion. Of course, PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga na masigat dito sa Qatar. Come to our everyday papawis, every Tuesday papawis po yan. For details, just visit the page po ng PSBQ. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Okay, Aviation Friendly League po tayo. Dabas the Flying League. Ano ba to? Oh, YouTube. Mamaya ka na. Yan, thank you. Aviation Dabas the Flying League. Maraming salamat po. And first game for tonight is Los Hermanos playing in green versus In-Flights po playing in light po tayo yan. And after this po is, ito po yan. Pero malaman na kung ano. Pero ito muna pasamantala. Ito muna tayo dito. Los Hermanos versus In-Flights. Ito na po tayo yun. Yan po sina Ian and company. Ayan. Sina Ian, sina Benji po yan. Yung kanilang kumpanya. And dito na po yan. Sina Mercado po yan. Sina Di Guzman and company po yan. We're just waiting yan for the opening whistle po sa gabing ito. For the In-Flights versus Los Hermanos. And In-Flights, Los Hermanos want to bounce back po sa kanilang pagkatalo po last week. Talagang tight ball game po yung last week po na nangyari po sa Los Hermanos talaga. Okay, we're just waiting for the opening whistle to start for the In-Flights versus Los Hermanos. Iyad. Sige, we're just waiting na for the opening whistle po sa both referees po natin to start the game. Eto na. Okay, game time po tayo yun. It's play ball time. Game start na po tayo between In-Flights versus, alam mo na, Los Hermanos. This is brought by SBB Pilipinas, SBB chapter for maintaining this game in a neat and orderly fashion. And of course, PSBQ Basketball, ang liga na masikat dito po sa Qatar. Maraming salamat po. And Dave Piritos already na watching in. Also, Dave, kamusta po ka dyan sa bakasyon mo? Balikan na rito, miss ka na namin. Okay, sige po. Sa ating mga kapatid natin Muslim, advance Happy Eid Mubarak po sa inyo lahat po. Sa ating kapatid natin Muslim po, nanonood po nito. Maraming salamat po. And also, Happy Ramadan pa rin po. Dahil di pa rin po tapos ang Ramadan. First quarter po tayo yun. For In-Flights and Hermanos. Sige po, pasok na. Boss, lamang sound system dito. Ha? Wala, no? Di dala, no? Okay. Oh, Baros, ano masabi mo? Oh, Justin, binabati ka daw. Okay, staying. Game na po tayo yun. First quarter po tayo yun. First quarter. Sige pa, pasok na. Okay, sa Hermanos, 23, 12, 25, 28 at si number 3. Sa kabila naman, sa In-Flights. Yan, si 17, si 22. Si Ariola. Walang number. Yan, si number 3 at si number 24, yung Claveria. Okay, let's start now. In-Flights and Hermanos. Okay, In-Flights, Hermanos po tayo. Magsisimula po ngayon mga boss, mga madam. Ito na po tayo ngayon. First quarter start. Opening tap. And it's Hermanos ball. Hermanos ball pa Hermanos. Floater shot, no good. Rebound para one by whose ball? Whose ball rep? Same ball. Hermanos pa rin po. Hermanos pa rin. Pops up. Bang! 23, 28, 2 points. 28, 2 points po tayo yun. 2-0 po tayo. 2-0. Hermanos must make up po sa kanyang loss po last week. Okay, pops up. And binawi po kagad ni number 31 ng In-Flights kagad. That's number 31 In-Flights. A good pop up po ang ginawa niya. Playing center po siya ngayon. Ian Pagete, 26. Crossover pass to 28 again. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle 1 by. Almost had it. But still same ball po tayo. Touch last po ni number 31. 31 po, touch last, number 31, touch last. Nakuha ni Ariola, nakuha ni Claveria pong posisyon, wala, malakas, and balik po sa Hermanos ang bola. Hermanos ball tayo muli, Hermanos ball muli po tayo, boss. Hermanos ball, now si number 12, na pinasa kay Ian, may tangan ng bola, Ian. Setting up the traffic. Ian Pagete again for 3. No good. Rebound by number 28. Wala pa rin. Nakuha number 31 ng bola. 31. Having some difficulties. Pinasa na kagad. Okay, Mike. And now to number 23. 24. Claveria. 23. Touch pass. 31 again. Bang! No good. And out of touch. Balik muli po sa Hermanos sa bola. 2-all po tayo. 2-all po tayo mga boss. 2-all. Tablados po tayo. Pagete driving. No good. And pinasa muna 26. Floater shot. No good still. And now rebound battle 1 by In-Flights. Kick pass kay Claveria. Driving. Slicing. Kick out muna. Pops up for 3. No good. And now si Mike. Again one more time. Claveria, floater shot, no good still. 28 ang rebound po ngayon, 28. Ian, setting up the traffic. Ian, now to number 12. 12 po tayo, 12, driving. Binabantay ni Claveria. And now Ian, pinasa muna kay number 26. And now pops up for 3. No good. Rebound, again, di Mike, kick pass kay number balik muli po sa Los Hermanos ang bola. At after 3 minutes of the game, still both teams are scoreless. Napako po tayo sa dalawa. Pagete may tahan ng bola. 28. Oy! Naunang hakbang sa tapak. Traveling violation called on In-Flights. Balik muli po sa traveling violation po called on Hermanos po. Balik muli po ang bola po sa In-Flights. Sige po tayo, paki-like, share, and subscribe po sa aking channel, Arvin G Vlogs po. This will be game also be posted there. And also si Mike. Wala, and out of bounds. Balik muli po sa Hermanos ang bola. 6 minutes 13 remaining. Ian, may tahan ng bola. 28. Approaching the 6-minute mark. Pops up again. No good. Rebound battle 1 by 31. Kick pass. Nakuha ni 26. Again. Pagete driving strong. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Huy! Foul. Foul number 3. Pushing foul. Masyadong malaki. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Inbound po ang Hermanos. 28. Ian lost the ball almost. And again, pops up. Pagete again, pops up. Malakas sa kote. And si Mike nakakuha na bola. Mike to Claveria. Claveria. And 2 points. In flights. Ahead na po tayo ngayon by 2. 4-2 po score po natin. That's number 8. Ariola nakatira po ng 2. Parang mukhang bagong tasis sa Ariola ngayon 28 for 2. Malakas. Rebound battle won by Ariola. Ariola binaba na naman. And to Claveria sa ilalim. Dukot. 2 points again. Back-to-back points po. Pinuposo po ng in-flights for 6-2 na po tayo yun. 6-2 score po natin. At 5-minute mark of this first quarter action. And now, number 26. Pagete. Pops up. Tapos. And now, Mike intercepted almost. Ariola. 2 points again. And 5 minutes po tayo. Palit player po tayo yun. Calling now second batch of players now. Please come now inside the court. Ito po yan. Si number 2. Si Benji. Si 24. Si 30. At si... Kulang. Sino pa? 2016. Okay, thank you po. Kabila naman. Yan, yung grupo po nila Calveria, remaintain siya. Maintain siya. Nandiyan namin si number 25, si number 5, si number 10, at si number 4. Yan. Eduardo, 24, JP, kick, nice, uy! And now, pops up, no good. And still, raw ball pa rin po ng Benji. Floater shot, no good. Okay, Benji shooting for 2 for sure. Benji shooting for 2. 2 shots para kay Benji. This free throw is brought by, of course, alam po natin yan, Team LBC, Haring Padala at Thread and Needles. Benji. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. 8-2 po score po natin. Benji, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Benji, pops up. Looper shot, no good. Rebound, Benji. Benji, 2 points. Okay, bati muna po tayo si James Noom, si Swaro sa watching, tsaka si Boss Aris. Nanonood din po. And now to Mr. number 0. Floater shot, malakas. Masyadong ere, dukot, wala pa rin. Nando si JP, nice rebound. Now to Benji. Oy, sino to? Si Nyok Kyongson. Ha. Diba to? Ha, ang taba ni Bots Barts. Foul. Ulitin natin, sabi po ni Kyongson, ha, ang taba ni Bots Barts. Ba si Boss Barts, mataba ka raw. Okay, balik pa si Invisible number 10. Sorry, number 30 pala, rather. Ito naman si number 5, De Guzman. 25, pops number 3. No good. Nice, rebound 10-16. Daxon got almost. JP, binababa, napunta kay Benji. Driving, 24, Bishop. Traveling cold. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. At 2 minutes 57 remaining first quarter action. And now number 5 driving. No! Last touch ni Los Hermanos. Last touch last by JP. Same ball po tayo. Okay, si Bustos, number 0. Mag-i-inbound muna ngayon. Number 0, Bustos for inbound. Okay, 30. De Guzman. Kumuha ng huwapan ng cutter. De Guzman. Uy, muntik na. Nice fake. Long 2. No, it's Bishop. No good. One more time. Lost the ball. Nakuha. Ay! Traveling violation. Dribble muna daw, sabi ng referee. Nauna po ang hakbang sa tapak. Okay, sabi nito daw, shout out kay Kuya Benji. Walang ngayong galawang Iverson. Sabi ni Mr. Kyok Nyok Chongson. Hop! Same ball. Same ball, Bustos, balikot. Nice! Tap away and same ball, sabi ng referee. Same ball po tayo, sabi ng referee. Same ball. Same ball, pops up. Bang! Wala. And now, same ball po na, fresh 14-second violation. First 14 shot clock awarded again. Number 30. Number 25 pops up. No good. Rebound di number 2. Number 2. Now to Benji again. Benji. Dictating the pace na naman. Benji umatake si Benji. Benji side-step. Nakuha ang bola. Again now. Again, in-flights. And number 30. 2 points, number 30. Number 32 points po tayo. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa Los Hermanos ang bola at 10-4 lead po. 6-point lead advantage po ang in-flights. Number 2. 2016. JP. Tapos, rebound di number 2. Now, Benji slicing. And no good. Rebound by number 24. And one play made. Number 24, 2 points plus possible 3-point play po sa kanya. That's Claveria for shooting for the bonus free throw. Bonus free throw, Claveria. Pops up. Bang! 1 point. Complete point play completed. 13-4 point score po natin. 57 seconds remaining. Ayan na si Benji. Number 16. Number 2. Pops up. No good. Over the back. Okay, balik po tayo. 57 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter action. Claveria. Hop. Di Guzman. Pinababa ang bola. Di Guzman. Bustos. Nakuha din ang Hermanos ang bola. Okay, JP ngayon nagbababa ng bola. JP, umatake. JP. Nawala ang bola kay JP. Balik muli po sa Hermano sa in-play sa bola. Budol siya tayong bola. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa in-play sa bola. Number 30. De Guzman. No good. Rebound. Fresh 14 seconds. Number 30. Again. 30 umatake. Claveria. Pops up. No good. 30 po. Rebound yung number 30 to Benji again. Benji. Palpal. And same ball. Okay, sabi rito ni Boss Isa. Shoutout boss, Sir Isa. Bumili din po sa iyo dyan sa trabaho nyo. And also, advance Eid Mubarak po sa inyo. Eid Mubarak po sa inyo, sir. Advance po sa inyo, Eid Mubarak. And hope you like the ball game. Number 2. Wala pa rin. Wala na. First quarter action. Tapos na po. Okay, calling po ha. Tama. Okay, calling po ha, sir ha. The Hub and Hub Lunch and Extreme Bowlers. Maganda-anda na po kayo, pumunta po kayo dito. I know, so meron pa rito, sino po rito? Si Ernie Parang Floresca. Go, Daddy, go. Go, Daddy, go. Okay. Okay, bola po ng in-flights. That's Mike for the inbound. Mr. Mike. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Ayaw niya, Silvero. Sige na. Mike for the inbound. Okay, focus na po. Second quarter po tayo ngayon. Mike inbounding to Ariola. Ariola to number. Naghahat ng mga pasahan. Ayun, kay number 23. 31 naman, pumabaw po posisyon. Nakuha yung number 3 ang bola. Number 3. And now to number 28 again. Number 28. Number 28 to number 13. Benji. Pakinggan for 2. No good. Balik muli po sa in-flights ang bola. The score is 13-4. Laman po ng Siyam ang in-flights. Sige po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapanood po sa gabing ito. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. And Ariola may tangan ng bola. At 31, power move. No! Foul! Sabi ng referee. Dahampas. Foul, sabi ng referee. Okay. Same ball pa rin po tayo. Same ball. That's Ali for the inbound. Walang prito po. Ali for the inbound. Mike for 3. Bang! 3 points rep. Mike, 3 points. 3 points by Mike is in. Benji Perez for 2. No good. Rebound. Tap kay number 28. Nilabas muna. May ito sa loob. Number 28. Driving. Strong. Whoop! Aray ko po. Same. White ball tayo. White ball, sir. Represents white ball. White ball, number si Ariola. Ali, pops up. No good. Top kay number 31. Ariola, floater shot. No good still. Rebound battle won by Ariola again. Nilabas muna. Wala pa rin. Number 31 muli. Number 31. Foul! Number 31, 2 shots awarded. That's AJ rather pala, not Ali. AJ pala, sorry. Okay, 31. 2 shots. Archetto. 31, shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready. The score is 16-4 ang score. Lamang po ng 12 na ang in-flights over Los Hermanos. Benji. 16-4 ang score po natin. 7 minutes 56 remaining. And Pagete for 2. No good. Rebound battle won by Mike. Si Mike. Malakas ang pasa. Balik muli po sa green ang bola. Balik muli po sa green ang bola. 13 kay Perez. Benji to Perez. Perez now. Okay, sinasabi nga po. Ernie, parang Floresca. Diyan ang cheerer mo, Salmer. Okay, meron pa yata rito. Maraming salamat, boss. Walang anuman, sir. Walang anuman po. Okay, ito po tayo. Number 8. Uy! And traveling violation daw, sabi ng referee. Traveling violation called. And balik muli po tayo sa Los Hermanos ang bola. Los Hermanos ball muli po tayo. Now si Benji may nagbababa ng bola na naman. Benji, number 13. Setting up the play. To Pakinggan, number 8. Almost lost the ball. Ariola, 2-on-1 situation. Ariola, ayun kay Mike. Malakas. Ariola, 2 points. Next dead ball situation. Benji. Driving, strong. Pakinggan, 2 points. 18-6, lamang ng 12 ang kailangan ang in-flights. Pero, tapos na po, 26, labang muli po ng 14 ang in-flights. The score is 26. Pagete, sidestep move, palpal, pero may foul, sumabit. Pagete shooting for 2. The score is 26. In-flights in the lead. 6 minutes, 6 remaining. Paguete, number 3, shooting for 2. Paguete, number 3. Pops up. In. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Paguete. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. It's in. Both baskets made. Mike, 6 minutes, 6 remaining. Mike, setting up the pace to number 23. AJ, number 23. Pops up. Makapos. Nando si 31. Hell ball situation. Ano ba yan? Kala ko si NBA lang nangyayari to, dito rin pala. Kala ko si NBA lang nangyayari yun, dito rin pala, pwede pala mangyari dito yun. Okay, balik muli po tayo na si Mr. Pakinggan na kay Benji Bombola, nag-hellball po. Ball given now to Hermanos. Nawala ang bola and next hellball situation. That will be now for in-flights. In-flights. Okay. Ha? In-flights ball, in-flights ball. Game. Okay, number 2, Mike to Ariola. Ariola. Driving the ball. Wala si Hero pala. Kung pansin, oy! Offensive foul. Moving pick ang ginawa ni AJ. Balik muli po sa Hermanos ang bola at 5 minutes 38 remaining second quarter action. Ito po tayo yun. And number 13. Number 13. Driving. Driving. Nagharap ng mapasan. Nagharap ng cutter. Benji. Naku, kapos. Eto, Ariola. Ariola. 2 points na yan. Lista na yan. 2 points Ariola. 22-8 ang score po natin ngayon. 22-8 at 5 minutes 12 remaining. First, second quarter action. Number 3 again. No good. Ayun. Rebound. Kapos. Next rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Finally win. Juan Fernando si Ariola naman. Ariola. 2 points again. Back to back points now. Registered by Ariola. And okay, that's it po tayo. Next lineup again. Tinatawagan po ngayon. Next lineup na naman. Okay, Ian, 24, number 12, 26. At sino? Isa pa. Sa kabila naman si 25, si Claveria. Number 8, si number 10. At si number 5. 24-8 po ang score po natin yun. David Zores watching already also. Christian Bacula, Kyle is also watching. Sira Kain, wala kayo rito ah. Hop! Piyami ni Popcorn. Foul. Sir Christian Nakain. Christian Bacula, Kyle is watching. Sir, wala kayo rito sir. Mukhang busy ba kayo sir? Sir Kain? May laro dapat kayo ah. Okay, Samonte. Ian for 3. Malakas. And now Bustos. Deep pass. Malakas ang pass ni Bustos. Bustos, deep pass sana. Pero malakas ang pasa. Balik mo si Hermanos Puli po ang bola. Hermanos ball from Ian now to number 26. Samonte. Hop! Yamini Popcorn. Again, a blocking foul. Bustos again. Back-to-back fouls po kay Bustos. Zero called for the foul again. Now si Mr. JP mag-inbound ng bola. JP for the inbound. Pops up. Bang! Sa wakas, nakashoot din sila. Okay, now, balik muli po tayo. 24-10, lamang po na 14 ang team in flights. Pops up. Kapos. Ian naka-rebound. Number 12. Kickball. Kickball. Fresh 14 seconds shot clock given again para sa Hermanos ball. Ian for the inbound. Samonte. Samonte driving in. Number 2. Number 12. Uy! Wrong miscommunication. Up si Daisy. Nakuha ang bola. Traveling violation. Hindi pwede pagulungin yung bola. Up! Muntik na. Muntik lang. Number 10. Di Guzman. Number 30 rather. Di Guzman. Bustos. Setting up the pace. And to Di Guzman. Pops over 3. Offline. Okay, balik muli po tayo na kay Samonte muli po ang bola. Samonte may tayo ng bola. Samonte driving strong. Samonte. Again. Uy. And. Okay, good ball, good ball, good ball. Number 2. Kapos. And in-flights ball. In-flights ball po tayo. 24. Number 0. Bustos. 2 minutes remaining. Bustos. Ouch. 24. Side step move. Foul. Buspal rep. Number 26 called for the foul. And Claveria shooting for 2. A minute and 52 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Pops up, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready po tayo. Claveria, second throw, pops up. Ay! Ay! JP, Samonte. Samonte, JP. JP, floater shot. And one play made. JP, 2 points plus possible 3-point play para kay JP at a minute and 42 remaining. Ha? Timeout called by in-flights. Okay, you're watching the second quarter action between in-flights and Los Hermanos. And coming up next po is The Hub versus Extreme Bowlers. And this game is brought to you by Team LBC and Thread and Needles Tailoring. And also, ito po ang third season ng Aviation Friend League, dubbed as the Flying League. JP shooting for the bonus free throw at a minute and 42 remaining sa ating second quarter action. JP, 24th. Bonus free throw. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by. Ayun. No good. Nice rebound by Bustos. 30. Di Guzman. 2 points Di Guzman. Ayun. Samonte. Binitbit. 2 points Samonte. A minute and 19 remaining. 26-12 ang score. 14 point ang kalamangan ng in-flights. Pops up. Bang! Nothing but net. Para kay number 10. Ian. Number 2. Ian driving strong. Hacking foul. Number 5. 2 shots para kay Ian. 44 seconds remaining. Ian Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, Ian. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, running time po tayo. 22 seconds remaining. Di Guzman driving. Wag muna. Di Guzman. Kay Bustos. 9 seconds remaining. Okay, 6 seconds. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. And now, number 2, Ian. 2 points. And that's it. The score is 28-12. Laman po ng 16 ang team in flights over Hermanos. Halftime po tayo. We'll be back after 5 minutes.
Lahat ay dapat sumunod sa batas.
Maging po Presidente ng Pilipinas dapat sumunod.
Yan ang batas. Sumunod sa batas.
Okay, balik na po tayo yun. Third quarter action na po tayo yun. Okay, change court po tayo. Change court, Hermanos ball. Okay, third quarter po si Salting, si Mike, si 31, si AJ, tsaka si Ariola. Ito na, and kaibigan si Earl. 24-13. Si number 3 at si number 12. Okay, ito na. Benji. Number 3, pops up. Foul! Tube. Pumasok sa tube. Number 3. First shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound to JP. Benji. 28-17 na score. Labang na labang isa. Benji. Again, number 3. Number 3 pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by number 3 again. Number 3, sidestep move. 2 points. That's number 3. 2 points po tayo. Now, si Mr. Mike. Nagtanamit. Dala ng bola. Mike. Ariola. Floater shot. No good. Rebound. Same ball. Ayun kay 23. Salting. Wala. Number 12. Number 12 to Benji. Nagmamadali. Hop. And number 12. Driving strong. Matibay ang depensa. Number 3 for 2. No good. And now, si Mike may tahan ng bola. Mike has the ball. Ariola. Oy! 3-second violation tinawag kay AJ. Okay, balik mo na po sa Hermanos ang bola. 8 minutes 27 remaining. 28-19. A 9-point lead na lang yan ng in-flights. Dish of pass. Pops a foul. Called on AJ. AJ called for the foul. Mr. Earl the Pearl po papasok. Earl the Pearl shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Earl the Pearl. Second shot. Pops up. It's out. And rebound. Won by 23. Ariola. Ariola. Nakuha. Nice. Nice D by number 30, Sir Earl. Earl the Pearl. Nice D. Okay, so 23 po tayo yun. Inbounding din naman. 23 for the inbound. Inbound, AJ. Ariola. Ariola. Si Mike. Mike. Power move. Kapos. Same ball and held ball situation. Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? Same ball daw. Sabi ng referee, same ball daw. Same ball. It's same ball po tayo. Same ball. And Mike. 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 Ariola. AJ for 3. Malakas. Rebound and touch last by Mike. Sa Los Hermanos Bombola. Chance again to trim down it further into 7 points. If they gonna shoot this. Or possible 6 points. Kung naka 3 points po sila. Benji. May tangan ng bola. Benji. Number 12. Benji. Pops up. Tapos. Rebound. Won by number 20. Salting. Now Mike. Mike. Tapos. And foul called. Take 2. Okay, Mike shooting for 2. Coming for the foul of JP. 6 minutes 58 remaining. 20-19 po score po natin. Pops up. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. 6 minutes 57, laban po ng 10 ang in-flights. Benji. Ramon. Hey! Labas ang bola. Touch by Salting. 15 second shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot. JP. Benji. 30. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Mike again. Back-to-back rebounds. Boards po ni Mike. Ariola. Mag-isa. Okay, lagyan natin mga kasama. Ariola, shake and fake. And lost the ball. Ariola lost the ball. Again, bumatakbo. JP, may tangan ng bola. JP. Number 12. Benji. Ayan, pops up. Number 12. No good. Rebound by AJ. Naka-rebound si AJ. Wala pinasahan. Same ball. Hermanos ball tayo. Hermanos ball muli po tayo. Hermanos ball tayo. You're watching ito Hermanos sa in-flights. Okay, palit player na rin po tayo. Palit player na. Okay, palit player na. Platoon substitution be made now by in-flights. Okay, number 28 then. Hermanos, papasok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 12 inbounding. 13. Earl for 2. No good. Rebound. Same ball. JP. 2 points, JP. JP, 2 points. 39-21. Lamang na po ng 8 ang in-flights. Ariola. Palpal. Pero pumasok. Napalusot pa niyo yun. Benji. Number 12. Earl. 2 points, Earl. Earl the Pearl, 2 points. Trey Lombong is watching. David Zoro is watching also. And, teka lang po muna. Saan pumunta? Saan pumunta? Ayan na. Ayun. 2 points. Power move by Claveria. Claveria, 2 points. 23-23. Benji naman. Benji. 2 points, Benji. Bawi-bawi lang muna. Bawi-bawi lang. Ariola. Ariola. Driving strong. Foul. Four minutes, 29 remaining. 33-25 ang score. Ariola shooting for 2. Ariola shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Earl the Pearl. Okay, Earl now naka-rebound na to Benji. Benji. Nagpapasahan. Ayun, kay number 12. Uy, malakas. Yun, 2 points. 34-27. A 7-point lead already. Ariola, no good. Rebound, 1 by number 12. Benji. Benji, mag-isa. 1-2. 28 sa dinukot sa ilalim. 2 points. Don't look now. It's a 5-point lead already now. Being held by in-flights. Nice stop. Again, nagrarally po ang Hermanos. Foul! Timeout called by in-flights. Nag-timeout po ang in-flights mga boss. The score is 34-29 rather. At 3 minutes 48 remaining, third quarter action. Nagrally po ang in-flights. Meron silang rally po na ginawa ngayon kaya nakabalik sila sa larong ito. And back to the ball game. In-flights still ahead by 5 points. 34-29. Hermanos, pasok na po. Okay, nag-submarine mo. Mukhang nag-shuffle na rin sila. Pumasok si Salting para sa kuponan ng in-flights. Oy! Bilisin nyo! Mawawanin yung kaingan! Game. Number 3. Now to Mr. Benji Sabonte. Arañez. Arañez! Isa pa. 2 points Arañez. 34-21. Lamang ng 3. May magic na nangyari. Arañez, 2 points. Bustos! Pinasa mo sa labas. No good. Rebound ni Benji. Again. Umatake mo lang Hermanos. Hermanos! Wala na. Okay. Still 34-31. Lamang po ang in-place ng tatlo. Benji. Number 3. Number 3. Pops up. And one play made by number 3. Okay, panabla para kay Pagete. Pagete has to make this shot para tumabla po tayo. Pagete, bonus free throw. 3 minutes 9 remaining. Pops up. No good. Ariola, number 10. Nagmamadali. Nawala ang bola kay Guzman. Okay, 31 muna. Papasok muna para ihanda ni tao sa fourth quarter action. Pagpapahinga muna siya. Si Claveria hinanda para sa fourth quarter. Panilabas muna. And now, number 3. Ian, chance to take the lead. 34-33 yan. Arañez, power move. May pader na nagbantay sa kanya. 31, blocking foul. Inbound lang po ang Hermanos. Nice D by number 31 pero blocking foul siya. Penalty situation. Where na pala ang in-flights. Arañez shooting for 2. Penalty na po sila. Pops up. Bang! Tabla. Arañez, bonus free throw. Arañez, bonus free throw po tayo. Both basket made. Damak ng Hermanos taking the lead. 34-25 po tayo yun. Bustos. Number 10. Ayun, nakalusot. Aryo, salting. No good. Rebound. The number 20. Perez. Number 2. Pagete. No good. Ayun, nakalusot. And it's a foul called. Nice foul. Nice D po yan. Nice foul po. Duty foul po tawag dyan. Para kay number 2. And De Guzman. Pops up. No good. And it's out of bounds. 2 minutes remaining and timeout called by Hermanos. Timeout po tayo. 34-35. Lamang na po ang Hermanos. Gusto yatang mapapang-ipensa muna. Kaya nag-timeout sila. Tumibol tayo. Rito. Okay. Oops. Ayan. Game. Okay, 23. Ian. Pinagsak kay number 2. May binababa ang bola. Number 2. Ian. Binabantayan. Number 2 again. Number 2. Binabantayan ng todo. Kay Pakinggan. Number 3. Pakinggan. Ian. Muntik lang. Foul on De Guzman. Ian shooting for 2. Chance to extend their lead. Ian per shot. Pops up. Kapos. Ian, second throw. Second free throw ni Ian. It's in. Tabla, dalawa ang laman po ng Hermanos. Malakas ang pasa. Balik muli po ang bola sa team Hermanos. 1 minute 25 remaining. Push na push. Check. Bustos. 2 points. Tabla. Okay, they're trapping now. Slide trap po ginagawa nila. Slide trap. Okay, number si Perez. Walang pinasahan si Perez. Number 0, Bustos inbounding. De Guzman. Bustos. 44 seconds remain. Tabla tayo, 36. Bustos. Oy! Number 3, called for the foul. Side lang, side. Wala pang penalty. Okay, Bustos. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle, 1 by 31. Arcieto. Salting. Ayun. And one play naman ginawa ni Guzman. Guzman, 2 points. Plus possible, 1 point pa para sa 3-point play. De Guzman. (38-36) pops up. 3-point play completed. Ian. Driving. Perez. Malakas. And symbol. Number 3. Out of bounds again. No more. Alright, come up next is the fourth quarter action. Tapos sa fourth quarter na po tayo. And also, next game po at tinatawagan na po. You're watching right now the game between Hermanos and In-Flights. And after this po is the Hub versus Extreme Bowlers. Yan po yan. Second game po tayo. Magandang po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Pero manood muna tayo ng Hermanos at In-Flights. Fourth quarter action na po tayo ngayon. Fourth quarter na. Fourth quarter action. Fourth quarter action na po tayo. 10 minutes, another 10 minutes, final 10 minutes of this first game already. 39-36. Okay, Hermanos inbounding again. Fourth quarter action. JP, Benji, Samonte, Benji again, thinking 3. Bang! 3 points, tabla na naman. Benji, 3 points. Ariola naman, babawi, malakas. Benji, nagmamadali, Benji, number 3, nawala, AJ, Mike, Mike, binabati ni Benji, Mike, and now kick pass. Kay number 23, pops up. No good. Rebound by number 26, Samonte. Now to Benji again, 26. Intercepted. Foul. Benji called for the foul. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa larong ito at 8 minutes 57 remaining. 39 all po tayo. Ariola for the inbound. Now to Claveria. Power move. Malakas. Rebound by number 12. Boposisyon na. Number 12. Again kay Benji. Number Samonte. Out of bounds. Walang foul, Samurai, walang foul. Legit yan, legit. Claveria. Claveria. Ariola. Ariola. Ala. Ariola. Nice! Pass pa. 2 points. Okay, lamang muli po ang in-flights. 8 minutes 4 remaining. 4-1, 39. Benji again. May tayo ng bola. Si Benji. JP. Wag muna. JP. Kickball. Fresh 14 again. Brad, wala siya, no? Yung Serbia. Ano team mo? Ano sila? Balik ka mo ako. Fourth quarter na. AJ! Nice interception! Ariola naman! 2 points. Fourth quarter na. Ariola, back-to-back points na naman ginawa niya ngayon. And Benji. 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 And now Samonte. Samonte driving strong. Palpal na naman. Ariola naman. Ariola! 2 points na naman. Back-to-back play po. Ginawa ni Ariola. 45-39. Lamang na po muli ang in-flights ng 6. Chudelax. May namin si Blin naman eh. Okay, 6 minutes 58 remaining. Laman po ng 6 ang in-flights. Courtesy of the back-to-back baskets ni Ariola. Again, bola po ng Hermanos. Hermanos, Benji again. Benji setting up the pace. 6 minutes 50 remaining. Samonte. Benji. Driving show. Oh, foul! No, hindi pala. Traveling called. Traveling rep? Okay, traveling daw si Benji. Sabi ng referee. Okay, Ariola. Ariola. And now 25. Ayun, Claveria pops up. No good. And nakuha ni number 3 ang bola. Number 3, driving strong. Number 3, oy! Traveling violation. Naunang ang akbang sa tapak. Akbang sa yapak, nauna. And now, to AJ. Number 34, pops up. And no good. Rebound. Lost the ball. Mike, wala pa rin. Rebound. Number 12 muling yun. Number 12, naka-rebound naman to JP again. JP. JP, shake and fake. Shake and fake to number 3. Number 3, shooting over AJ. Kapos. Claveria. Claveria. Number 8, Ariola. Hop! Medyo nagtanggal sila doon. Mike for 3. Kapos. AJ, labas muna, mainit. And Ariola. 24 naman, Claveria, kapos. JP, naka-rebound. Ayun kay Benji. Benji. Foul. AJ Cope for the foul. AJ Cope for a foul. Benji shooting for 2. 45-39. Lamang pa rin po ng 6 ang in-flights. The story so far, Los Hermanos has to win this ball game to ensure their spot in the quarterfinals. Los Hermanos has to win. It's a must-win ball game to secure the spot in the quarterfinals. It's in. Or else, posible magkapo ng typos, ng double typo. At they'll be called the win over another. It depends po yan po sa in-house rules po ng larong ito. Nice interception by Benji. Out of bounds. Out of bounds po tayo. Out of bounds. Number 12 inbounding. Samonte. 45-40. JP. Traveling violation call kay JP. Okay, Di Guzman. Salting. Bustos. Salting for 3. Malakas. Rebound battle 1 by 28 Samonte. Samonte lang mamadali. Samonte driving strong. Hinahap si Benji pops up. Malakas. Si Daisy. Balik muli po sa in-place ang bola. 4 minutes 13 remaining. Lamang pa rin po ng 5 ang in-flights. Over Hermanos. Bustos lost the ball. Rebound ball and balik muli po sa in-flights. Nice hustle. Nice hustle po. Good hustle. Bustos driving strong. Foul. Blocking foul. 2 shots. Two shots para kay Bustos. 3 minutes 49 remaining. Correction. Di pa pala di shooting foul. Ayun kay Mike. Bang! 3 points, Mike. 3 points. Mike, 3 points. Ikaw lang? JP driving strong. Kapos. Ayun. Kapre, musta? Ayan na. Kay Bustos. Binitbit. Tapos ang bola. Bustos. Binitbit. And sa timeout call again by Hermanos. Tiro. Balita. D-Mac nandyan. Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes 18 remaining. Lamang na sa puwang in-flights. Lamang na sa puwang in-flights. Benji. For 3. Malakas. And out of bounds. Same ball. Balik. Nice hustle. Balik. 50-14 score. 3 minutes and 1 remaining. Number 3. Samonte. Samonte. Benji. Samonte. Benji cutting. Nice D. Out of play. Out of time. Nice D by Implights. Out of time. 2 minutes 38 remaining. 50-40 ang score. Bustos. Number 5. Muntik pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lang. Walang pamalit ah. Basket good. Second shot. Guzman, second throw. It's out. First throw lang pala yan. Second throw, jumpers ready. Dahil pamalit. Lima lang kayo? Gusto mo yung mangyari na karaan, yung lima lang kayo. Gumago face ha? Benji. Benji, double teamed! And good ball, good ball, good ball! Ayun, 2 points again. 2 points to Guzman. 2 minutes and 8 remaining. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. A minute and 56 remaining. Claveria, pumasok muna. Last 2 minutes. Sub muna rin muna. AJ, good. Papasok muna para kay Bustos. Quality ball game by AJ. Bustos. The number 5. Claveria, nandiyan sa loob na rin. Salting and Mike. Kickball. A minute and 43 remaining. Mike. Bustos. Bustos. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by Salting. De Guzman. Milking the clock. Bustos. Bustos driving strong. Malakas. And again, De Guzman. Uy! Foul number 3. Third foul. 1 minute and 40 remaining. Number 5 shooting for 2. Number 5 shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Second throw. Jumpers ready tayo. De Guzman. Yes. 13, pops up for Chuy. 3 points by number 3. 55-43. Foul again. A minute and 4 remaining. Penalty situation. Wala pa. Sorry. Okay, Claveria inbounding. Pinasa muna kay Mr. Bustos. Bustos. Driving strong. Nice dish of pass. Almost had it. De Guzman shooting for 2 again. 57 remaining. De Guzman shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready tayo. Second free throw. Jumpers ready para kay Guzman. Pops up. Wala pareho. Number 12. Number 3. Nagmamadali na yan. Number 3. For 3 again. No good. Rebound out of bounds. Lamang ng 12 ang in-flights. 47 seconds remaining. Second game, mag-stretching na kayo. Third game, QR Towers versus Gas. Gas. And now, Number 3 again, inbounding. Benji. "15 seconds remaining. Number 3. Long 2. It's out. Wala pa rin. 2 points, number 12. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Congratulations, winning ball. Yung final score, 57-45. Panalo po ang In-Flights. In-Flights, panalo po sila. Group photo, group photo po. Compress ng konti compress ng konti. Malamig eh. Okay, final score 57-45. Panalo ang In-Flights. Securing now second place po yan. Solid din po, second place po talaga. Compress, and wag yung i-score ha. Okay, kayo muna po. Okay, In-Flights. Compress please. Yan, yung score ha.
Right. 1, 2, 3. Correct.
Okay, kawin na lang. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, sino po ang papasikatid natin, sir? Ariola again. Dito lang sa Ay, sige muna. Ariola, picture ka muna. Picture muna. POG kasi. Back-to-back POG po ni Ariola. Ariola again, winning the POG of the game. At sa likod, boss. Likod. Okay, Ariola. Okay, this is Ariola. Ariola, congratulations for winning again. POG po tayo. Sir, nung sila yung ikalumamang po, any concern po na parang naramdaman ninyo?
Matense kami.
Matense kayo. Okay, tama, normal kayo. Pero paano yung composure na nabalik nyo para sa team niyo?
As much as possible, dapat compose lang palagi kahit
Yung composure nga, may composure.
Ayos naman yung lineup so far, so may nakahabot pa.
So, alam natin, papasok mo kayo sa number 2 na kayo, number 2 spot na kayo, for sure. Ano masasabi po dyan? At sino nga sa ating makakalapit?
Hindi ko sure kung sino makakalaro, pero sana yung medyo kaya natin.
Sige, okay.
Quarterfinals.
Sige, parang hindi ko na kunin oras mo. Okay, 1 minute. Shoutout po siya. Sige po.
Shoutout pala sa mga tropa dyan.
Lakas ng kote.
Sa mga tropa na may lipad dyan, shoutout sa inyo palagi.
Okay.
Una pala, salamat sa Lord. Panalo
Okay.
ulit kami. And sa mga maglalaro bukas, Airport United Cast, mga tropa.
Okay.
Good luck sa mga laro niyo.
Okay, yan po.
Shoutout din sa pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. Mag-ingat kayo palagi.
Pamilya mo sa Pilipinas. Okay, good. Ano pa, sir?
Okay na?
Okay, that's it po si Mr. Ariola. Back-to-back POG na po tayo yan. And again po, this is In-Flights winning the ball game. Final score 57-45. Maraming salamat po. And with it po, kaway na lang po. Kaway po kayo. Okay, dyan po sila. And again, see you again po for the next ball game between, of course, Hub and Extreme Bowlers.